Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Milwaukee hoodie is probably one of the most underrated pieces of gear for anyone who spends time on a job site or just appreciates rugged, comfortable apparel that can stand up to daily wear and tear, offering a unique blend of durability, warmth, and practical design features that go beyond your average sweatshirt, making it a surprisingly essential item for both work and casual use. Number 5. SLONIK Rechargeable Headlamp. Experience powerful light with its high lumens, casting a 30-foot beam. This compact and lightweight device, weighing just over 4 ounces, boasts an impressive 100,000-hour lifespan. It comes with a 2,200 mAh battery and a convenient USB cable for easy recharging. Enjoy up to 8 hours of light in low mode or 3.5 hours in high mode, with a quick 2-hour recharge time. Crafted from aero-grade aluminum alloy, it's built to withstand extreme conditions. Its IPX4 waterproof and dustproof rating makes it perfect for outdoor running, hiking, or even construction work. Featuring an adjustable nylon headband, it ensures a snug and comfortable fit for all users. You can swivel it 90 degrees and easily switch modes with a single button, or even attach it to a hard hat. Never be left in the dark again, as it's designed for incredibly easy use. Switch between lighting modes with a single button and recharge its battery without any complicated disassembling. What we like. This headlamp offers ultra-bright illumination and a long-lasting battery, perfect for extended use. Its IPX4 waterproof rating ensures durability in challenging conditions. If you are looking for a reliable, hands-free light source for outdoor adventures or demanding work, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Milwaukee M12 Heated Hoodie Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee M12 Heated Hoodie Kit. It keeps you warm without the need for bulky layers, allowing you to move freely and comfortably. This hoodie utilizes carbon fiber heating elements to generate and trap heat across your core body areas. It ensures consistent warmth where you need it most. Enjoy up to 6 hours of runtime with its M12 Red Lithium battery pack. You can easily adjust the heat level with the touch of a button, adapting to any condition. Crafted with a durable cotton exterior and a waffle weave interior, it traps heat effectively. This design drastically improves warmth and comfort compared to standard hoodies. It features durable utility pockets with reinforced edges for protection. Plus, this innovative hoodie is completely washer and dryer safe, making maintenance simple. What we like. This heated hoodie provides targeted warmth across core body areas, powered by an included M12 battery. It significantly reduces the need for bulky layers, offering comfort and mobility. If you need immediate, powerful warmth for cold job sites or winter activities and want a complete solution, this is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Milwaukee M12 Heated Hoodie Jacket. Introducing the ultimate solution for cold weather work. This innovative hoodie jacket provides superior warmth and comfort, keeping you productive in any environment. Experience advanced heating technology right where you need it most. It features dedicated heat zones on both the front and back, ensuring comprehensive warmth. Designed for maximum comfort and flexibility, this jacket allows for unrestricted movement. Its durable construction means it's built to last through tough conditions. To activate its powerful heating, simply connect your M12 12V lithium-ion battery. Please note, the battery is sold separately to give you flexibility. Don't let the cold slow you down. This heated jacket is an indispensable tool for professionals who demand warmth and performance on the job. What we like. This heated hoodie integrates carbon fiber heating elements for consistent warmth without the bulk. It's designed to be washer and dryer safe for easy maintenance. If you already own Milwaukee M12 batteries and are looking to expand your heated gear collection, this offers a great value. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided empty source JSON. No suitable reviews found in the provided empty source JSON. Number 2. Milwaukee USA Flag Pullover Hoodie. Show your pride with this stylish pullover hoodie. It's perfect for any casual occasion, combining comfort and a patriotic design. Featuring a bold black and white American flag, this hoodie makes a statement. Its unique design stands out from the crowd. Crafted for maximum comfort, you'll love how soft and cozy it feels. This hoodie is ideal for everyday wear, keeping you warm and comfortable. Pair it with your favorite jeans or activewear for a complete look. Its classic pullover style makes it a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Don't miss out on this must-have item. Experience the perfect blend of style, comfort, and patriotism with it. What we like. This pullover hoodie features a distinctive USA flag design, showcasing your brand loyalty and patriotic spirit. It offers a comfortable, casual fit for everyday wear. If you like to represent your favorite brand and country in a stylish, relaxed way, this is the perfect addition to your wardrobe. What people say. Number 1. Milwaukee Hoodie M12 Heated Jacket. Introducing the ultimate solution for cold weather work. This innovative jacket keeps you comfortable and focused, no matter the conditions. Experience superior warmth with its advanced heating technology. It features dedicated heat zones on both the front and back, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing M1212V lithium-ion battery system. Please note, the battery itself is sold separately. More than just warmth, it offers the comfort of a hoodie with the durability of a jacket. Its versatile design makes it perfect for any job site. Available in a practical 2X large size and a timeless black color. Find the perfect fit and style to complement your work gear. What we like. This heated garment provides adjustable warmth to keep you comfortable in varying conditions, reducing the need for multiple layers. Its durable construction ensures it stands up to tough work environments. If you prioritize flexibility and warmth without bulk for active tasks and already have M12 batteries, this will keep you agile and warm. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.